Want to send a phone number to somebody, they must look for paper and biro to copy the phone number. That's an error for a digital scholar. If you want to send a message to somebody, we have a clipboard that automatically saves short messages for us, and some of us are not aware that it's there. Okay, so for example, let's say I want to send something from this group. I want to send this link. I don't need to get a paper and biro to send it. I'll just click on it and copy. Once I copy, can you see, say link copied? It's copied to my clipboard already. So all of us have inbuilt clipboard, but our interfaces are different based on our phones. So if I want to paste that list now, just come here. Can you see that it's already appearing here? I can click on it from here and I can send. Or if you want to access your clipboard, so once I click on these three dots, can you see clipboard? So I'm going to use my clipboard, click on it. Now I'll scroll up. I've already saved them. Can you see my clipboard? I want to go to pinned. You see this pinned? These are the things I use often. And then anything you copy, for example, a phone number, see the link I just copied now. So let's say somebody sent you a phone number. You are trying to get it. You don't need to get a paper and biro. Or an address. Somebody sent you an address. You are trying to get it. You don't need to look for a paper and biro to write. So for example, this text now, I'll just click on it like so, and I'll say copy. Once I copy, it's copied to my clipboard. If I go back to the WhatsApp I want to send it to, I'll just click like so, and I'll come here. The last thing I copied is always here, but if I want to access this from my clipboard, I'll just click on these three dots. I'll go to clipboard, and can you see the message here? I'll just click on it and I'll send. All right, so these are easy ways of using our devices.